Hey guys, we're out here today putting up a bunch of hot wire, just poly wire with step-in posts. We chopped about 50 acres on this side that I put already into row crop. We got rye, some turnips and brassicas, and then on this side still corn stalks we just combined. So we're running a bunch of heifers on this side to let them eat the stalks up, and then we'll move them into some stockpile pasture after that.